Please eat it.
A spoonful of sugar.
Makes the medicine go down, hopefully. I've tried everything to get my goats to take their wormer. It's an herbal wormer. They really need to be wormed. I've ordered a drench gun. Is that what it's called? A drench gun? Anyway, and that's where you put it straight down their throat. But
why do you think the Nubians would eat it and they're not?
I don't know. It's frustrating. I never had an issue with any of my other goats giving them worm balls, where I just mix the wormer with oats and molasses. Never an issue. These goats will not touch it. Will not. Okay. Noodle. Okay, well. Do you have a syringe?
Yeah,
so I could do it like if we were gonna do chemical wormer, I could do it with the herbal wormer. Chemical wormer is a lot easier to give because you just squirt it in their mouth and hold their mouth shut. I really prefer to keep my goats raised as organically as possible. I'm not against using modern medicine to treat my farm animals. I just prefer not to do it if I don't have to. These goats need copper and they need worming, and I can't get them to take either. So I'm gonna have to bolus the copper. I have a bolus gun. I really don't know what the bolus wand. I don't know. As you can see, she's not eating a bite of that, so I'm gonna give it to the cow. Here, Mama. I'm gonna give Alice what the goats aren't taking. I'm gonna see if she'll eat it in this grain. I mixed it all in.
Is that enough for her?
Yeah. Well, I added more to it. It wouldn't be usually. She's not eating it. You know, I did taste this wormer, and it is very bitter. What are you doing? Don't knock it out. Don't knock it out.
She's not really eating it. She's messing with it.
She's trying to knock it out. When all else fails, I guess we'll just give it to the chickens. Look, there's ice on their water. Oops. Chickens will eat anything.
You think that'll worm the chickens?
It'll worm the chickens, yeah. So frustrated right now. We made a paste with my herbal wormer, and we emptied out this selenium and E supplement that I give my goats, and we stuck the wormer in here, and it's really nice because I can actually measure out how much to give each goat. Have it measured in two parts here equally so that I can give each goat their dose. Everyone in the barn is like so frustrated with us because everything's taking forever this morning. Are you annoyed? Let me see if I remember how to do this. It's been a while since I've done this. And then we need a bolus or two. That's going to be harder. I will definitely need your help with that. So goats don't have teeth in the back here. So what I like to do is I put it in, and then I hold her mouth shut and give it to her. And since it's such a large amount, I'm going to try not to go too fast. Maybe even give her a little break here and there. I'll have to do that for 2 more days. Now we gotta bolus her.
Yeah.
Okay, you lift their head up.
No.
Open their mouth. Okay. Put it down their throat till you're almost choking them. You might even be concerned you're hurting them.
We're going slow and easy, right?
Yeah. I love you.
See if she spits it out.
You hold their mouth shut till they swallow it. It's not a big deal if they chew it. It'd be better if they didn't, but All it means is that the rods, the copper rods that we just put down, will be a little shorter, and they just won't last quite as long, or some of them will be a little shorter. It'll be fine. So the reason we're giving her copper is she's obviously deficient. Copper is extremely important to the health of your goat, and if they're deficient, they'll have a rough coat, and they'll be way more susceptible to parasites. And I had that issue in my last herd, and I worked really hard for years to get their health up, and it really worked to worm them regularly and to give them copper. Just spit it out, Art. I need you to do it again. Yep, just about.
I think she swallowed it. Nope.
She's chewing it up.
Not a downhill.
He's climbing his first tree.
So proud of you.
Oh, she's stepping on my leg.
She what?
She's stepping on us.
That's gonna be our new saying around our house. Don't be a Monica. Okay, Alice.
I know.
You're gonna come too?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, hold on. What's so funny? I don't feel like this is like fun for anybody. Okay, sorry.
Mom, look. This is my little boat.
Mom's in the middle of a
Look, Mom, look.
little bit of an intense medical procedure.
I think I'll say, look, Brighton, look. Let's see if she actually swallowed it.
Looks like it. Well, that was easier.
You're easier than Monica. Don't be a Monica.
I think that would be a good video title. This isn't fun for anybody.
I'm thankful that I know they've got their copper and at least some wormer in them. We're gonna have to do that for the next 2 days because the herbal wormer you give 3 days in a row and then weekly. So yeah, I've always been able to be very gentle with my goats and just give them treats to give them their medicines and things. So it's good for me to learn this stuff, but I would really prefer the gentle methods for sure. And so would you. You didn't do too bad. It's Monica that's so hard. All right, let's milk you, girl. Let's milk you.